Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect my funded futures to Tradingview. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into Tradingview, come here, hover over product, click on super charts, and then what I want you to do is just click either buy or sell, and now we'll connect the broker. So if you scroll down here, you can click on show all brokers, and here you'll see Tradeovate. So if we come here to my funded futures and you click here on get funded, and when you're creating an account, what you want to do is just choose any plan. But the important thing is when you're choosing a platform, choose Tradeovate. Now, as you can see, this one is a broker that lets us to connect with TradingView as well. So just choose this, and then I want you to go ahead and just make your account, and then you just come here, choose Tradeovate, and whether it's live or demo, you click on connect, and then they'll redirect you right here. You just go ahead and log in and authorize your account. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.